Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your QuickBooks Online account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a product into your QuickBooks Online account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a product into your QuickBooks Online anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that efficiency is key. And by creating a product in your QuickBooks Online, that means you can add it into future invoices without having to type it out every single time. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your QuickBooks Online account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my QuickBooks Online account. This is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a product, you're going to click on this menu button right here on the left. Once you click there, you will see a drop-down menu, and you want to go ahead and hover over this button here called Sales. Once you do that, you want to click on this button here called Products and Services. All right, once you click there, you're going to see this green button, Add a Product or Service. Go ahead and click on there. Okay, next you're going to see this pop up. So you have two options. So non-inventory would be something if you're selling physical product, and then here is services. For me, I'm going to go ahead and click on services. Okay, next you want to go ahead and name the product. So let's say YouTube marketing. Okay, if you have a SKU, you can go ahead and enter that there. You can choose a category. If you set up categories in your QuickBooks Online, you can write a description for the product, and this is going to be a description that your customers receive. So let's say 10 video packet per month. Okay. And then we want to go ahead and put the price. So let's say that we charge $3,500. Okay. Next, you want to go ahead and disclose which income account it's going to be. For me, I'm going to go ahead and put it under services. Now, if you buy this product from a servicer, you want to go ahead and list that there. And that way it can be routed into your expense account. For me, I'm just selling a service, so that doesn't matter. Next, what you want to do is click on Save and Close. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. You can see our new product is added right here. Now, if you need to edit that, just click on the blue edit button, and then we're brought back to the same page. You can also add a picture for that product. That way, when you're setting up your invoices in QuickBooks, your customer is going to receive a picture on their invoice of what they would purchase. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a new product into your QuickBooks Online account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.